In this video, we are going to learn about two-way graphs, as in two different graphs, and how do we control a graph. So the technique is almost similar. It's just that instead of having it on the one axis, we will create two separate graphs. One graph with the two separate types of graph, one on the first axis, one on the second axis, and then we see whether we can control that or not. So again, the data has been given to us for only particular agent, which is agent 1, and the sales and profit data has been given to us for 4 quarters. uh, as usual practice, we will copy this into a different destination to get altogether. We will click on developer. We will insert checkbox over here, which is for the sales data, which is here for the sales data, and another checkbox which is for the profit data. So we will copy paste this and we will place this beneath the sales data chart. We will create profit. Okay, and we will assign this to a cell which is A17 for sales and A18 for the profit over here. Fair enough. We will create a chart for this. We'll create a chart for this. Insert chart. We'll create a chart for this. Now you can see my profit is way higher than what my sales is way higher than what my profit is. So I will convert this profit into a different kind of a chart, which is my change chart type, and I'll move to a separate axis, which is on the axis second axis, and I'll convert this into a line chart, secondary axis, and move this to a line chart. This looks fair. Okay, and now I will format this data. If my condition is true, then pick up the data, else don't pick up anything. I simply have to drag this and okay, I just have to make a little change over here, which is like this, and I think this should work now. Yeah, perfect. Now I will create a border around this. So my basic chart is ready. I can give the naming convention or name whatever I like, sales versus profit. Okay, and then if I click, if I want to see only profit, okay, and then I can see that if I want to see only sales, I can remove the profit chart. And that's pretty much about this here. So as in I can create a chart where I can see only sales or only profit, or sales profit together, sales alone, profit separately, on a two different kind of a chart. So instead of putting in one kind of a chart, I have two different kind of a chart, two on the separate axis, one which is my line chart, one which is my column chart. So that's pretty much about it. This is like a controlled graph. Other graphs were either a list control or a so or an indent control or something of that sort, where we actually control the input. Here we are actually controlling the output. So this is what basically it is. um, In this, we can only have data about a particular agent, where in the other two we can have a data about multiple agents, and that's basically the broad premise, and that's basically the difference over here. So I hope you have liked the video. Thank you.